Hello and thanks for stopping by. If you are a returning subscriber, karibu tena. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to my kitchen space. So today I'll be showing you 2 ways in which I make my stir-fried vegetables, and I hope you'll enjoy the content. So let's get into our ingredients. For this recipe, we have our eggplant that is sitting in vinegar and water to avoid oxidation, French beans, mishiri, onions, ginger and garlic and the dania stems, carrots and the dania leaves, carrots and capsicum. For our spices, we'll have salt, black pepper and paprika, and dark soy sauce just to add on the color. So I'm waiting for my water to boil so that I can pre-boil my 2 vegetables. Alternatively, you can blanch your vegetables, but because I got mine from the market, I decided to pre-boil them for 2 to 3 minutes. So at this point, you strain off your water and rinse with cold water so that they can stop cooking.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
We just want to sweat our onions. They just become a little translucent. Then we can continue adding our other ingredients. These are our dania stems. We also add them. And we also add our spices. Coming with our vegetables. It depends on how crunchy you like your things to be. If you like them very soft, cook them for more time. But if you like them crunchy, they do not have to stay on fire. So I guess mine are done. So we'll add in our carrots. Then sauces for the color. Then dania leaves kiasi tu. And we are done. So that is So for this recipe, we'll need our broccoli, which is the main vegetable, eggplant that is sitting in water and vinegar, dark soy sauce for the color, kitunguu ambayo nimekata into quarters then nikatoanisha, ginger and garlic, our capsicum, our carrots, dania stems na dania leaves. Then lastly for our spices we have salt, royco, paprika and black pepper. You blanch or pre-boil your vegetables in salty water, hot salty water, so that they can retain the green color. And now it's time to strain our water, then run cold water so that we can stop cooking, because I want mine to be crunchy. So let's get to the frying, the most interesting part, where you get to toss and turn your vegetables like. But today I can't do much because I've installed some lighting over here just above the pan, so I'll just do the minimum. I'm having ginger and garlic. You can slice your onions into smaller pieces, but I wanted to peel my onions as I eat them because we are making a vegetable stuff. Then at this point, I need capsicum and dania stems and carrots as well. And also your spices isipokuwa roiko. So why I'm using roiko to do it because I don't have coconut milk and I wanted to cook something that had a stew, not as dry as what I cooked yesterday. So you start this and let the spices cook for about a minute. Then we can come in with our vegetables. Also, kama unatumianga wine kupika, use the 10 wine. Then it's lambe in your kitchen. Oh. You see, you're looking beautiful. Then we add in our roiko. Our dark soy sauce. Then we add our water kiasi tu. Then you add your final vegetables, the carrots and the dania leaf, and we are done. So it was that easy. So people, we've come to the end of today's episode, and as usual, sasa it's time we have a taste. I'll start by tasting the rice. The vegetables in the rice are very crunchy, so let's taste our broccoli. Guy, this thing is so legit. Hey, this meal is so legit. You just have to try it out. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Also share this recipe with fellow vegetarians. I'm sure they're going to love it. So let me continue eating and see you in my next video. I'll start by tasting the rice. The vegetables in the rice are also crunchy. The vegetables in the rice are crunchy. The vegetables in the rice are very crunchy. So let's taste our broccoli. So let's taste our broccoli. Guy, this thing is so legit. Hey.